Did you ever wonder what smooth, healthy hair sounds like? We attached a small microphone to a comb and listened to the difference between undamaged smooth hair treated with AVON's damage repair regimen and untreated, rough, damaged hair. A comb glides through the treated smooth side while it pulls and tugs on the untreated hair. It's a difference you can actually hear. Regular use of damage repair shampoo and conditioner and split end mender repairs and infuses hair with needed moisture and softness, quieting environmental and styling stress. It repairs up to 95% of damaged hair. Get smoother hair that won't make a sound.